I would love to see how fast you are at setting up your vlogging cam.
Hey, Peter? No, we'll figure that out later, huh? Hey, it's nice to be talking to you directly, I guess. And congrats on the baby, by the way. We got to get a coffee sometime. But for now, we're going to talk a little bit about me, because you wanted that. And I figured I'd take you to a spot I really like, so we could admire the sunset. So listen, I do follow instructions well, but I do need to inform you.
Open to everybody, but the chances of you actually getting the job are going to be greater for the people that actually work in the GTA, the Greater Toronto Area, Toronto, Canadians, people that live here, because I don't get on camera too often because, you know, I don't want to make anybody jealous. You know, I'm just so beautiful. But today's an exception because we're going to be talking a little bit about this sweet Lou fellow and why you shouldn't watch his videos. Let's go! I work on a ton of films with my friends over on YouTube's favorite channel, Nailed It Network. Everyone on YouTube just hasn't realized it's their favorite channel yet. Over on Nailed It, we do comedy. And we do horror. That seems right. On Nailed It, I've written a ton of our films, including Cure, a 7-episode zombie drama series, fully equipped with practical blood and guts. Oh yeah, graphic content warning. Besides, Cure will melt your heart just as often as it'll wrench it out through your ribcage.
Did you hurt someone?
There were a few obstacles along the way.
My God.
What?
Are you even listening to yourself? Just how many obstacles got in the way, whatever that means? Like, how do you justify all that?
Amy, I did what I had to do.
What does that even mean? I didn't ask for any of this. Before, when I was in your arms, if those were my last moments, I would have been fine with that.
We're also working on a new sketch comedy show that'll be released on July 1st, 2018. We do a podcast, we do silly behind the scenes stuff, you get the picture, check it out sometime. I'm also a photographer. I've been shooting for quite a long time. I especially love astrophotography, but, you know, where I'm from, not really the best for it. It's a little too bright here. But speaking of photography and all that fun stuff, I run another YouTube channel called Sweet Lou Photography. On that channel, I shitpost. I mean, I make tutorials in a less serious and more entertainment-focused manner. You're gonna grab your blue primary and just yeet that shit over to the left, all the way to the teal zone. Just go crazy over there. 0 to 100, real quick. As the kids say. Play around with the blending mode until they match up with the photo's lighting. You can also get more fancy and mask out the excess balls. No one likes excessive balls. Tap water, it's fine to drink, but the fluoride and chlorine in it have a chance to interact with darkroom chemistry that can really fuck things up. But tap water is totally safe to drink, you know, those chemicals, that's fine. So here's a non sequitur for you. I used to be in a band. Well, technically I was in a few, but we only talk about A Cruel Twist and the ginseng fiasco. Music is a huge part of who I am, probably because of where I grew up. See, I grew up in the Bronx, home of the Bronx Underground, unfortunately a now closed underground music scene. I spent most of my teenage years surrounded by artists there. I made some of my first videos ever in the Bronx Underground. The Bronx Underground had such an impact on me, I'm actually making a documentary about the scene now.
I feel like a rock star, and it's just this ridiculous adrenaline high that's feeding off of you and the audience. It's like one of those unforgettable moments that you just always constantly strive for more and more.
And also, I have this channel where I post videos I recorded of local bands playing live. See, so much of the old Bronx Underground era was lost to time. I'm trying to preserve the birth of the new Bronx scene. Alright guys, well that's about it for me. Creating is honestly one of the most important things in the world to me. If you like what you see, I hope you can join me on YouTube by smashing that subscribe button, or just messaging me. Or you can tell me I suck in the comments below, whatever floats your boat. Much love guys, see ya.